This video will show you how to make Warzone look colorful and vibrant so you can see enemies better. To do this, you will need Nvidia GeForce Experience. A link will be provided below. If you don't have an Nvidia graphics card, your monitor or TV may have similar color settings. Start by opening Warzone. Open the GeForce Experience game overlay by pressing Alt+Z on your keyboard. Open the game filter menu. Select one of the numbers to create a new filter profile. Choose to Add Filter, then select Brightness and Contrast. Set the exposure to -12, contrast to 45, highlights to 21, shadows to -58, gamma between 10 and 18. Next, add a sharpen filter. Set the sharpen between 50 and 80. Put the Ignore Film Grain option to 100. Finally, add a color filter. Set tint, intensity, and temperature all to 0. Adjust the brightness between 40 and 90. This will make the game more colorful. If you notice that the color filter is putting too much strain on your PC and lowering your FPS, then there is an alternative. You can use your monitor color settings to increase saturation and vibrance, or you can use the Nvidia control panel. Head back to your desktop, then right-click and open the Nvidia control panel. Select Adjust Desktop Color Settings from the side. Choose the monitor you use to play. Increase the digital brightness. Apply your changes, then close. Warzone will now be more vibrant and colorful.